Hello students, I am Hari Shankar Pandey and I welcome you all to watch this video. We will study about contracted forms through this video. Students, as we have read about contracted form given in the second chapter of English grammar. Contracted forms are very important and useful because these forms shorten our speech and writing. Here, contracted form has been explained. So let's start. What are contracted forms? Contracted form refers to short words made by putting two words together and omitting some letters, and the omitted letters are replaced by an apostrophe. Means when two words are put together and we omit means remove, and we omit some letters from the words that are to be contracted, and we replace the removed letters by an apostrophe. Let's understand this with the given example. Can plus not equal to can't, and he plus is equal to his. Students, in the first example, we see that two letters from not, that are N and O, have been removed and has been put an apostrophe in place of N and O. Same as in the second example, I has been removed and an apostrophe has been put in the place of I. So this way we make contracted forms. And in the second chapter of English grammar, there has been given the contracted form of verb plus not. So here are being given some more example to understand the contracted forms well. As do plus not equal to don't, does plus not equal to doesn't, did plus not equal to didn't, is plus not equal to isn't, are plus not equal to aren't, was plus not equal to wasn't, were plus not equal to weren't, has plus not equal to hasn't, have plus not equal to haven't, had plus not equal to hadn't. Will plus not equal to want, shall plus not equal to shan't, must plus not equal to mustn't, would plus not equal to wouldn't, could plus not equal to couldn't, should plus not equal to shouldn't. Let's understand the use of contracted forms with the help of given sentences. Here, the sentences have been given in two ways, as Ram does not play chess or Ram doesn't play chess. In the first sentence, Ram does not play chess. There is no contracted form has been used. But in the second, Ram doesn't play chess, the contracted form has been used. That is this. That is this. The contracted form of does not. likewise. In the further sentences, we shall not drink hot milk. We shan't drink hot milk. Shan't is the contracted form of shan't. And in the further sentences, children must not disobey their parents. And here, children mustn't disobey their parents. Mustn't is the contracted form of must not. And in the fourth sentence, you have not any pet. You haven't any pet. The contracted form of have not is haven't. She was not a doctor. She wasn't a doctor. The contracted form of was not is wasn't. So dear students, as I have told you before that contracted forms shorten our speech and writing just like has been done in all these sentences. Thank you